Have you checked your portfolio lately? If you haven't, now is a great time, especially considering how the market's been going. Denis Massey here from Bank of Hawaii to kind of walk us through this. Dennis, how you doing, buddy?
Good morning.
Okay, so when we talk about portfolio, what are we talking about? What kind of paperwork?
Any type of investment portfolio, whether it's a retirement plan or a college savings plan or any other type of savings account where you're investing in securities.
Okay, and a big part of that is asset allocation.
Right.
Can you talk us through that? What is that?
Asset allocation is an investment strategy where you balance risk and reward. So you allocate a certain percentage of different assets in the portfolio based on your risk tolerance, your goals, and your time horizon.
Okay, can you give us an example of what proper asset allocation looks like?
Sure. Well, most portfolios consist of different assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, cash. And if you diversify among those, you can minimize your risk. So an investor that has a long-term horizon may invest more heavily in equities and long-term bonds, or on the other hand, someone with a short horizon with higher risk aversion will invest in short-term bonds and cash.
Okay, so how often do you have to keep adjusting to get optimum payback?
Right, you don't want to make a lot of frequent trades, trying to time the market. It's something where you should do a disciplined review, set a target amount, and then review it maybe annually, semi-annually. It should be regular, but not frequent.
Okay, we already went through the first quarter. We're starting the second quarter. Is it a good time to start looking at our portfolios?
Yeah, for a few reasons. Mainly one is many people just finished their taxes or are finalizing, and so they're familiar with their financial situation. They may be even getting a return that they can use to invest in their portfolio. Also, we've seen an appreciation in the equity market recently, so it's a good time to check to make sure that that equity allocation is still in line with your target. A general rule is if your allocation to a certain asset drifts from 5% from the target, then it's time to rebalance.
Okay, so a lot to digest here. Do you have any other tips before we go?
It's always good to have a discussion with your financial advisor. And basically, just make sure that your portfolio investments are in line with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon.
All right, because it all varies depending on what you want.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Dennis. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All the information about this is going to be on our website, hawaiinewsnow.com. You guys stick around for more. You're watching Sunrise on Hawaii News Now.